Hello, beautiful people. Guys, long time no see. How are you all? I have something very exciting to show you guys today. Borne Collection has sent me some clothes that I'm going to try on and make some outfits with. So it came in this little bag. This is so cute. Your journey to yourself begins now. Wow, you guys, this material. Okay, so we have a bodysuit. Perfect color. I am wearing this color right now, so it's a color that I like very much. The thing I love about this brand is they promote like taking care of yourself, getting to know yourself, being the most successful you. Ooh, this black bodysuit. This is so nice. I love the one shoulder. Okay. Guys, this is so cute. They're allure skirts. I love this skirt. Look at this. You guys see this? It's like long and then the slit is so nice. This is gonna be so cute. Oh my word, I can make some super cute outfits with this. First off, I just wanna say that these clothes are such nice material. Like, do you see how soft this is? This feels so comfy. So I love that they have a lot of like dressed up loungewear, if that makes sense. So if you guys are looking for that, this brand is a very good place to look. This is such good quality. I cannot make this up. I would never lie to you guys. I would not. I could not lie. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, wow. I'm in awe. Now let's get to styling these clothes because these are so cute. I don't know what to do with myself. And cue the music.
Nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So no, I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey, I ain't really got no bling. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's the truth. Got it, I got it, yes I do. Heavy upon me, I'm lonely without my Louis. On me, I ain't dripping ice, no new freezer, but I'm tryna live life. Every day saying where I wanna leave it, can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer, yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way that he raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, that's the truth. Got it, I got it, yes I do. Heavy upon me, I'm lonely without my Louis on me. No matter what the fit is with me, I guarantee I got mine. Heavy on me. Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you all mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a to the chest for me? I need to know. just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tug. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I'm dying, I promise you won't never have to wonder. You're dying, I'm riding, just know that you won't never